Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to switch Microsoft Excel to dark mode. This simple trick can help reduce eye strain and make your workspace look sleek and modern. Let's get started. First, open Excel on your computer. Now, go to the top left corner and click on File. This will open the Backstage view where all your settings are located. Next, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the Excel Options window, where you can customize different settings. In the Excel Options window, make sure you're in the General tab. Now scroll down to the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. Click on it and select Dark Gray or Black for a true dark mode experience. Once you've selected your preferred dark theme, click OK to apply the changes. Your Excel interface will now switch to dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully changed Excel to dark mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Skills Exceed, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.